Okay, this could be a Captain Obvious conversation, but I thought I should come and have it because there are many knockoffs of it. But if you have a spectacular Jura coffee maker like that, every so often you need to descale your coffee maker. And so for me, I have found that the Jura tablets, the Jura descalers, are the ones that I have chosen to use. I can't see what the descaler does. I can't really tell if it does anything, but I know for sure I'm not going to save a couple greenbacks and jeopardize my fancy, amazing Jura coffee maker by getting junky ones of these. So I'm going to say I have used them. They have worked perfectly every single time, and I would highly recommend them, especially if you're into your coffee and your Jura and you want everything perfect. Stick with the Jura products, all right? So I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.